Hello. Today, the function we will be talking about is the radical function. Our first function is the parent function, which is f of x equals radical x. Some of the key characteristics of this function is the domain is 0, positive infinity, the range is 0, positive infinity, and the end behavior is as x approaches infinity, f of x approaches infinity, and as x approaches 0, f of x approaches 0. This function does not have any asymptotes, and the x and y intercepts are both 0, 0. The next function we will be talking about is the transformation function, which is f of x equals radical x plus 3 plus 2. The c value here is -3 and the d value is 2. Some of the key characteristics of this graph is the domain is -3 positive infinity and the range is -2 positive infinity. The end behavior for this graph is as x approaches infinity, f of x approaches infinity, and as x approaches -3, f of x approaches -3. There are no asymptotes or x-intercepts in this graph, but the y-intercept is 0, 3.732. The last function we will be talking about is the inverse function, which is f of x equals radical x and g of x equals x squared. Some of the characteristics of this graph is the domain and range is all real numbers. The end behavior is as x approaches positive infinity, g of x approaches positive infinity, and as x approaches 0, g of x approaches 0. There are no asymptotes in this graph. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow us on Mr. O's YouTube page at I forgot it, but you know which YouTube page it is. Thanks.